Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 8822B. This essential IRS document allows businesses to update their mailing address, physical location, or the identity of their responsible party. Keeping your information current with the Internal Revenue Service is vital for receiving important tax notices and preventing potential issues like identity theft. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure your business records are accurate and up to date. It's important to know when to file Form 8822B. You must submit this form within 60 days of changing your business's mailing address, regardless of whether it's a new street, city, or state. Similarly, if your business's physical location changes, you have 60 days to inform the IRS. A change in your responsible party, the individual with ultimate control over the entity, also requires filing this form within 60 days to keep IRS records accurate. Completing Form 8822B accurately is key. Start by entering your business name and employer identification number, or EIN, precisely as they appear on your tax returns. Then, clearly provide your old mailing address and your new mailing address. If your physical business location has also changed, be sure to include that information. If there's a new responsible party, fill in their name and identification number. Finally, an authorized officer or owner must sign and date the form, stating their title. Once completed, Form 8822B must be mailed, as electronic filing is not available. The correct mailing address depends on your previous business location. If your old address was in one of the specified states, including New York or California, send it to the Internal Revenue Service, Kansas City, Missouri, 64999. For all other states, territories, or foreign countries, mail it to the Internal Revenue Service, Ogden, Utah, 842-010-023. Please allow 4 to 6 weeks for processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.